To use your FX wallet and the various dApps available in the phone app, you will first need to know how to deposit tokens into the wallet. There are a few ways to do this. Buy and transfer from a centralized exchange, buy with an FX wallet from a fiat to crypto on-ramp, or transfer from another wallet. Number 1. Buying and transferring from a centralized exchange. You can sign up for an account on a centralized exchange in order to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, and USDT. In order to transfer these assets to your FX wallet, there are a few steps you have to take beforehand. 1. Check whether the centralized exchange allows users to withdraw cryptocurrency assets to an external wallet. 2. Make sure that the blockchain and tokens you wish to transfer are supported by FX wallet. Otherwise, you will have to use an external DEX, such as Uniswap, to swap the tokens to another supported blockchain and/or currency before transferring into FX wallet. You can view the full list of blockchains and tokens supported by FX Wallet in the FX Wallet app under Settings and Manage Assets. 3. Make sure that the centralized exchange you are transferring from supports the blockchain you are intending to transfer your assets to. 4. In your FX Wallet homepage, scroll to the blockchain you intend to transfer your assets to. Click on the 3 dots and tap on Add Token. Search for the asset you would like to transfer into FX Wallet and tap on the plus sign to add it into your wallet. This is a crucial step to ensure that your tokens show up in your home page once the transfer is successful. 5. Be sure to get your intended wallet address approved by the centralized exchange before transferring your assets. The approval process may take days for some exchanges, so please be mindful of this. Within the centralized exchange platform, there will be options to either withdraw, transfer, or send your crypto. Key in your intended wallet address, the desired amount of crypto, and the correct network to ensure that the assets reach the correct place. A faster and more direct way you can buy your cryptocurrency assets is through FX Wallet itself. Using the on-ramp embedded within the mobile app, open up your FX Wallet and tap on the app's icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Click on See All, find the Buy with Bank Card option and tap on Open. To check if your currency or country is supported by the RAMP network, please tap on Details for more information. Choose the currency that you would like to buy, for example, USDT. Select the intended receiving address in your FX wallet, check the Terms of Service checkbox and tap on Next. This will bring you to a browser page where you will be asked to key in your desired amount of crypto, verify your email, choose a payment method, and confirm your transaction. In your FX Wallet homepage, scroll to the blockchain of the receiving address, click on the 3 dots and tap on Add Token. Search for the asset you bought and tap on the plus sign to add it into your wallet. This is a crucial step to ensure that your bought tokens show up in your homepage. Let's say you have a friend who wants to gift you some crypto. They can also send you the assets straight from their wallet. Taking MetaMask as an example of the sender's wallet, here are some steps to take before sending the tokens. 1. Make sure that the blockchain and tokens your friend wishes to transfer are supported by FX Wallet. Otherwise, you might have to use an external DEX to make a swap. 2. In your FX Wallet homepage, scroll to the blockchain you intend to transfer your assets to, click on the 3 dots and tap on Add Token. Search for the asset you would like to transfer into FX Wallet and tap on the plus sign to add it into your wallet. Taking FX Wallet as an example of the sender's wallet, just choose the intended crypto asset and tap on Send. Key in the desired amount of crypto and the intended wallet address, and confirm the transaction. Make sure that the assets are sent via the correct network to ensure that they reach the correct place. Once the assets have been successfully transferred, you should be able to view them in the main page of your FX wallet.